The subclass 491 visa is a skilled work visa under the Australian immigration system. Here are the key details about the subclass 491 visa. Purpose. The subclass 491 visa is a points-tested visa designed for skilled workers who want to live and work in regional Australia. It replaced the subclass 489 visa on November 16, 2019. Regional requirement. To be eligible for the subclass 491 visa, applicants must be nominated by an Australian state or territory government agency or sponsored by an eligible relative residing in a designated regional area of Australia. The visa is aimed at encouraging migrants to settle in regional areas where there is a need for skilled workers. Points. Test. Applicants must submit an expression of interest, EOI, through Skill Select and score a minimum of 65 points on the points test. Points are awarded based on factors such as age, English language proficiency, skilled employment history, qualifications, and other criteria. Conditions. The subclass 491 visa is a provisional visa valid for 5 years. Holders of this visa must live, work, and study in a designated regional area of Australia. They can apply for permanent residency through the subclass 191 visa, permanent residence, skilled regional, after fulfilling certain residency and employment conditions. Application process. The process involves several stages, including submitting an EOI, receiving a nomination or sponsorship, and then submitting a visa application to the Department of Home Affairs. Benefits. The subclass 491 visa allows holders to live and work in Australia for up to 5 years. It provides a pathway to permanent residency through the subclass 191 visa after fulfilling the required criteria. Overall, the subclass 491 visa is part of Australia's efforts to distribute skilled migrants to regional areas where their skills are needed, aiming to support local economies and communities outside major cities.